Right, morning, we're back out finally. It's been a bit, well, we had a bit of a disaster last week, didn't we, mate?
Yeah.
So, back on this, what we think is Roman. We just met a fellow detective over there, actually. I know him from for a year or two, so he's out there over there. We're going to concentrate on this bit here. So I think we'll crack on it, mate. Let's touch coils. Let's go. Boom! See you later, guys, on the first one. I have just found the smallest buckle I've ever seen in my life. Hammered. So there we go, my first find. We'll turn that off anyway. I think it's a musket ball with the sprue still on, actually. Is it? Turn that off. Yeah, I would say it is. Little pistol ball, musket ball with the sprue still on. Okay, that's fine. Let's crack on. Next sign, I think, is a little button, is it, or something? Yeah, still got the shank on. Maybe a bit of silver wash on there at one time. Yeah. Very scratchy signal that, but hey ho. That'll do, not bad.
Well, a new day, a new find. Second hole of the day, and that's it. It's part of the key to the barn door, I guess. Not very Roman. This is meant to be a Roman field, so. But no doubt, more finds to come. Okay, coming up as a 12, a bit of an artifact thing. Absolutely no idea. Maybe that looks like could be in a heart or something, but that obviously slides up there. Does something. I'd guess not Roman, but there you go. Another little find.
I have just found the smallest buckle I've ever seen in my life, and it's still got the pin on. Look at the size of that. That is crazy. Is that fixed to a mouse belt? Look how small that is. My God. There's still the pin. How crazy is that? That is minute. Wow. Let's have a look at the... I don't want to break the pin. I can keep that pin intact. So the pin is really quite sharp and all on it as well. What the hell would have that been on? Look at the craziness of that. Well, best find so far. Let's crack on. Is this another coin or is it a button? Just there. Looks like it's going to be a button. Oh no, it is a coin. It is a coin. And I'm betting that posse could be Roman. Let's give it a little clean. Not really seeing anything on it. Who was the spray done from that? Oh, sorry, I'm off camera, sorry. Don't know. Definitely a coin. I would say, let's just give it a little rub, tiny little rub. Not quite sure
I'll just let that have a little bit of dry. You guys see anything on it? Because I can't. Looks pretty toasted. But I would say it looks quite round though, doesn't it? Quite round. Not sure, but I would say that is a coin. Could be wrong, it's quite thin, so it could be like a Georgie. First, second, not quite sure on that. Can't see really any detail, nothing at all. Cool, we like that. It's been a bit hard going, but we'll keep cracking on. Let's crack on with it.
Hey, look at that, first one of the day, musket ball. I might have known there'd be some on here, flippin' heck, but it's the first one I found today. Well, what the heck is that? Just dug that up. Gave me a signal of about 12. It's not a bit of a bullet or anything, it's obviously got a hole there and it's for some purpose. But, so I'm going to clean it a little bit, see if there's anything. Oh, no. No, oh, I don't know what that is. In the finds bag though.
Right, I just dug this one. Where's it gone? There. So up, pinpointer. I thought it was a coin, but I think it looks more like a button. It is a button. Bloody hell. Oh well. We'll keep going on.
Snap. I reckon that's what that is as well.
Oh, Mark. Oh.
I think that's a button.
Oh, that's interesting, isn't it?
I did think it was a little bell at first.
Oh yeah, yeah,
sure
it is. Yeah, it is a button. It's not, not like a hawking bell.
No.
Oh, that's nice. They're not really nice.
Yeah.
That's cool. I like that. There we go.
Definitely better this side of the field.
Button day. Maybe a Roman coin. And what else did I get? Oh, that tiniest buckle in the world. It's got to be the tiniest buckle in the world. Yeah. Right, we'll crack on.
Leprechauns live here.
Yeah, yeah. I'm not sure, guys. I don't know if there's a hint of silver on this. It's just here. See that there? Is it? Have I got a hammered on here? Have I got a hammered? Is it? Is it? Right, this mark off. I've got a hammered. I don't think it is. Or is it? Let's put it on. Sorry. Break it all together. There's definitely silver there, isn't there? Is it? Please, 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 please. Trouble is, I ain't brought me magnifying glass. Is it? It's thin enough. Can't see no detail. Right, let's get some water on it. Let's get some water on it. I tell you, it's looking more like it. It's looking more like it. Bloody water. It looks silver to me. But what? Very warm. So I'm off camera. Right, I'm going to switch this to macro mode to see if I can see something on there. Okay, back in a moment. Hammered. Ooh. Right, I'm just going to show Mark. Go over there and have a look for his. He's got a little magnifying glass with him, so I can't see bugger all on it. Back in a moment. Just had this hammered there. I just had the signal. I don't know. Mark's just had a signal here, and it's just lying on the surface. Is that a hammered? Or bent up? It is. It's a hammered. Another hammered on the surface. Yeah, yeah. Let's just pick it up. Let's have a look. It's broken up. I'm pretty sure it looks like, yeah, the other one's just there.
Well, actually, I think it is. It looks like it. Mark's just going to come over. He's got his magnifying glass. That's lying on the surface. 2 hammered.
What numbers did it come up as?
Look at the machine.
Does it come up as a hammered number?
45. Normally it's 60s something on the RX. But I can see like the round circle on the right and going round it. Pretty sure.
That's definitely. Oh, yeah.
Hammered.
Yeah, I think it is. Pretty sure.
2 hammered in the space of 1 step. And that was lying on the surface.
Oh, hang on. We've got more detail this side, haven't we?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's hammered. Look, there's the cross and everything there.
Oh my god, 2 hammered in space. I'm just going to go around this area then. Come up around this area, Mark. See if there's any more about.
Well, I don't know this way. So
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Unbelievable.
Yeah, look, you can see that side definitely.
Right, I'll switch you off, guys. I'll come back to you in a moment. Back on, guys. Yeah, we're not quite sure. Maybe an Edward. No, we're not quite sure on the other one what I just found, but this one looks like it's an Edward. Alright, it's knackered. Knackered, it's been chewed up, but it's an hammered, and you can see that, can't you? And it was just, that was with the first one, and the second one was just laying there in that bit of soil there on top, sunbathing. Banging. Well happy. 2 hammered. Right, let's scan this area and see if there's any more. One was coming up as a 65, which is, turn that on, Mark, which is kind of, oh, sounds like something a bit big actually. So, possibly a bit of farm machinery, but we'll dig it up and see if we can get it out. That's actually on this side. What's in here? What's there? Is that a shotty? Shotty shell. We've got a banging signal there, banging signal. But they come at the same numbers as hammered coins, around about the 60s, 65, 66s. Well, that was a solid 66. Right, let's crack on.
Well, we're on a Roman field, and if that's Roman, I'll eat my hat. But good God, what the hell is it? Any ideas, anyone? And also a piece of lead, so 2 in 1 hole. Well, this could be it. This could be the coin. I'm not sure. I've just pulled it out here. I thought it might be a button, but I don't know. That's looking more like a coin to me. Try and get you in focus a bit there. What do you think? It's thin. Cannot see any markings on it at all. It does look a little bit similar to the coin that was found earlier by one of my friends. Right, well, I'll clean that up at home and get back to you on that one. Hopefully we'll see something more at home.
Right guys, just like to give a bit of a shout out. Don't normally do these, but the first one is to Gareth Millwall, Dukes Derbyshire. What a legend this guy is, absolutely fantastic guy. He's helped me out the past couple of days with me shorts and the editing side of things. Gareth, you're a top man, mate, top legend, top legend. Appreciate your help on all of it, mate. Fantastic videos, go and check him out if you're not sub. Dukes of Derbyshire, what a fantastic channel, fantastic videos, what a great guy. Cheers Gareth, mate. Next one, Mark Gale, Adventures with Mark. Another legend. He's always asking me to make stuff for him, and he contacted me last week, you know, if we can make some anchors. So I said I'll have a look on the net, see if I can get some moulds for him. I managed to find some, got them the next day, got them moulded, got them painted, sent them out to him. And I think it was for a lady friend of his. She lost her dad last year, and and she wanted something to commemorate because he was a sailor. So it was a pleasure to do them. And I did ask for him if he could put something in a charity, the Veterans Charity. So this goes out to the third shout out, which is Jamie and Rachel from the Treasure Rangers. Absolute legends as well, raising money for the Veterans Charity. And that's where he said to send the money to, and I was quite happy with that. So all three of you are legends. Go and check out all the channels: Dukes Derbyshire, Adventures with Mark, and the Treasure Rangers. Go and check them out. All legends. And there's a picture of them anchors. Enjoy. See you in a minute.
Well, I just pulled this little lead piece out. It's got a little knobbly bit on it. I wonder if it was a bit of a pot mend or something like that. Possibly. Yeah, I would say so. Yeah, we ain't got much time left now. We're about ready to go. See how long. Mark's just doing some digging over there. Been a beautiful day though. But Mark is starting to catch up. I don't know, I've got a coin here. It's just here. And it is a coin. Coin of something. Don't know what though. Might have just hit it there as well, look. Bugger. How about? It's a coin of something. Not quite sure. Let's put a little bit of water on so if any detail comes out. I doubt it though. Oh, I can see your head now. There's that. Oh, it's a. Can you see there? That's a young Vicky. Is that a young Vicky? See your head? You can see that there. There, look, see that? It's a young Vicky. Other side. Ah, yeah, we're just getting a bit of detail coming through now. We might even get a date on this one then. 1860s, somewhere around there. Little farthing, I would say. There's a date there. I'm not going to see it. But you might be able to see it. Yeah, that'll do for me. That'll do for me. Yeah, you can see a red coming through now. Nice, that'll do.
Well, got a very iffy signal out of that hole there, and pulled this broken bit of buckle out, but I don't know, I've never seen a buckle like that. It's still got a little pin on it. Oh, it looks in, well, clean metal wise, although it's broken and everything, but you can't really see what sort of buckle it is. But yeah, well, it had a bit more shape around here. Well, I doubt actually with that small pin, would it really? So yeah, I'd have thought that was probably just bent off there to some degree. Yeah. Oh, well, nice find anyway, so I'll take that one home.
That's us done. Not a bad day, I think. What was it?
Not too bad at all.
Not too bad at all. Can't believe them two hammies next to each other. They're a bit battered, a bit warm. But hey, I'll have to investigate on that one. Yeah. Loads of buttons. Loads of buttons and loads of crap on here.
Size of the field.
I've just got a coin now. You've just seen that. Well, it must be the when she first went to the throne or something, probably 1845.
Looks like 1845.
Really young on it, yeah. Right. Thanks for watching, guys. Pick up the stuff, and we're off. See you on the next one.